To another video. Today, my slime is molding, and I'm going to stick my hand in. I know it's a
disgusting.
Yeah, it's a disgusting experiment, but I'm putting my hand in a moldy slime. Ew. Look, you can see the mold. That is crazy. You wouldn't want to be putting your hands in this, but this is just an experiment, so I get to do it in 3, 2, and a 1.
Time.
Now it doesn't really feel like anything. It still feels like slime, but it's not that moldy. This experiment, and we're trying to see if it can like stuff up the whole bottle.
But just want to play with the slime yet?
Watch it grow.
Yeah, we need to see it grow. Guys, this isn't old slime, so we're not doing this today. But guys, I'm going to find a random slime piece in a few days that I don't really want to use, and we're going to mix it between each slime and see which one wins. This alligator slime right here that I got from the alligator farm.
What this one?
And on the other side we have fine slime. Guys, I'm not going to be mixing with this slime. So yeah. But by the way, look how cool this is compared to this. This one's nice and stretchy, squishy, and compared to this.
Yeah, this one's lusty.
Like,
It's slimy.
it's literally,
Hey,
it feels like rotten jello, guys. And I'm never sticking my hand in that again. I'm washing my hands after this video.
Why?
Like, look. This is like beautiful slime versus like the horrible slime. I'm pretty sure the regular slime would. I don't know why you did that. It drops in there like the slime's nothing. But guys, I'm pretty sure this one would. Stop. Ew, I did put my hand in. No. Okay, guys, look how disgusting it is. I'm pretty sure this one would win being the competition. Can you please stop? 3 hours later at the gang will have to stop. Okay, guys, I got her to stop. And look at her big smile because she's doing weird things.
No water in it today.
Oh, it's dripping! The water dripped. Guys, look. That's water from the slime. That slime is so rotten that it's dripping. Guys, if you are scared, if you have like phobias like that, do not watch this video because I'm pretty sure you will vomit. This is so disgusting, guys.
Open this.
Like, this slime is literally molding. See all the mold? Like, who in the world would want to touch mold slime? It's definitely Laurel. Guys, it's definitely nothing, guys. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, turn on notifications if you want to be in that video. Peace, see ya. I'm going so fast because Slow's going to destroy everything. Peace. See ya.